Just arrived at the Baltimore Penn Station, heading to Washington D.C. Oh, this place is pretty cool. Take a tour around, do the spinner. Alright, now time to check in. We got Dunkin' Donuts right there, restroom, newsstand. Right, so about to check in. Alright, so I'm right on track 7, waiting for the Acela train to head to Washington D.C. So first time riding a train, well, this kind of train. So it should be one of the faster trains. Pretty cool on the track. Like a train right behind me. So never rode a train. Information right there. And got the name of the train. So car 1, cars 2 to 6 that way. In fact, there's one coming in right now. It's a MARC train. Yeah. So basically there's 2 types of trains here. One is a MARC and one is the Amtrak. Yes, sir. So our train should be arriving soon, so keep you updated. Alright, here goes. Here's our train.
Beverage item. At this time, the conductor will be coming through to inspect and scan your e-tickets. Please have them ready together with your identification to expedite the process. Thank you for choosing Amtrak.
Alright, just arrived in Washington D.C. Oh, this city is busy. There's a lot going on. Look at that. All the government workers. Alright, welcome to Washington D.C., United States capital. So this is the District of Columbia. It's not a state, so it has no representatives in Congress or Senate. I think they do have a representative in Congress, but it's supposed to be a neutral territory. Alright, let's go check it out.